Good afternoon and welcome to the TPM 4-Minute Friday, where we show you tips and techniques that will help your everyday tasks. My name is Dana Rice and I am the Civil 3D and InfoWorks Applications Engineer. And today I am in Civil 3D 2019. As I'm sure you're aware of by now, Civil 3D 2019 has just been released in the past week. And I would like to talk to you about a brand new command, one of the many brand new features and commands within Civil 3D 2019. This brand new command is called DWG Compare. I am very excited about this command. What it does is that it will take two DWG files. For this video, I have two files listed, alignment exercise and alignment exercise finish. I would like to compare these two DWG files to see what, if any, is different within these two. I don't even have to open the actual files themselves. I can navigate up here to a brand new ribbon in Civil 3D 2019 called Collaborate. And here is the new command right here, DWG Compare. Let me select my files. I'll navigate to them. DWG1, I'll make the original file, and DWG2, I will make the newer file. What this command will do, you see these two colors listed here, which by the way, these colors are customizable. This command will create a third DWG file, and in that third DWG file, number one, it will name that file with the word compare in it. And also in that third file, that compare file, every entity and object that is in DWG1 but not DWG2 will be drawn in green. And everything in DWG2 that is not in DWG1 will be drawn in red. Let me click compare and get this DWG Compare started. These are smaller drawings, so it will not take too terribly long. And there we go. As I've said, this has created a third DWG file, a new file with the word compare in the name. You can see that the items in red are in DWG2 but not 1. And then in green, it's just the opposite. This little fire hydrant symbol is in our original drawing but has been removed from the newer drawing. And then the command places a revision cloud around the affected areas as well. And you can change the size or the margin of this revision cloud. Okay? So again, this command is on the Collaborate ribbon, a brand new ribbon in Civil 3D 2019, and it is called DWG Compare. And I hope that you are able to download Civil 3D 2019 soon and use this brand new command, because I don't know about you, but I'm very excited about it. This really is a time saver and a game changer. Well, thank you for spending a bit of your time with TPM in our 4-Minute Friday. My name is Dana Rice, and you have an excellent day.